Hello everyone. In this lecture I will teach you classification of economic activities. In exam if it is coming that what is the classification of economic activities, then you will draw that flow chart. You can make the flow chart because SST is a subject where answer representation is very important. How you are performing your answer, how you are writing your answer. It means presentation should be very impressive, so it will affect on examiner. You can write any answer with the flowchart points and how you are explaining with minimum words in maximum presentation. Means if you are using minimum words and you are explaining more, then it will be very positive for you. You are writing in a paragraph and you are not explaining much and you are writing unnecessary thing, then please avoid this thing. Classification of economic activities on three bases: on the basis of production, formation and ownership. This is only the general classification of economic activities. We have to study in detail about this all economic activities. So please be with me till the end of the chapter. On the basis of production, economic activities are classified into three parts. Primary activities, you can say sector also. Doesn't mean you are saying activities, you can use the word sector also. Primary sector, which is related to exploitation of natural resources. Secondary sector or secondary activities. Secondary activities are also known as manufacturing activities. Why? Because in this raw material converted into final product. Manufacturing of any goods, that's why, or services also. That's why this is known as secondary activities or manufacturing activities. Tertiary sector is also known as service sector. Tertiary sector does not produce anything but gives support to primary and secondary sector or primary and secondary activities. Now on the basis of formation, there are two types of activities: organized and unorganized. You can use the word organized sector also, you can use the word unorganized sector also. It means you can use the word activities or sector according to your wish. On the basis of ownership, there are two types of activity: public sector or private sector. The activities which are performed by government are known as public sector activities, and private, individual or group of individual. Students, we need to learn about all activities in detail. In this lecture I told you only the classification of economic activities on various bases. Thank you.